Today I'm going to be using Happy Easter Mesh by a Maker Studio, and I found this wooden egg at Target. I'm going to start by staining it in this nice warm brown tone. It's basically a wipe on and a wipe off. And in the stencil there's a lot of different images, bunnies, chicks, Happy Easter, He is risen. And I'm going to start by taking this border and putting it at the bottom. And taking the Happy Easter wreath, but I'm not going to be using the Happy Easter out of that. I'm going to be using my applicator with Well I Declare, which is the white ink by a Maker Studio. It's very easy to apply. You're just going to place your stencil down. Now the rest of that stencil was dry before I went in with this. You're going to put the ink on the applicator or on a plate and then to the applicator. And you're just going to spread the ink where you want the part of the image that you want white. And then you're just going to lift it. This I finished off with a ribbon that I went around the entire egg and then created a bow at the top. With this buffalo check ribbon. Very, very simple, but it ends up being a high-end decor that you can sit on a shelf or actually put in a basket as a gift. I found these ceramic pots at IKEA. They were not expensive, I would say under $5. And again, I'm using the same Well I Declare ink and the same stencil, but I just loved how the two of these looked together. It has that cement look with the white, came out so pretty. And a lot of times I'll just place my stencil back on its backing and then just wipe it with a baby wipe. And that's how I clean it. This one says Happy Easter. These stencils are so easy to work with. I love these little bunnies. I put them on either side. And you can find all this at chalkitupfancy.com. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For more tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.